New World Order things happening all over are being reported. It's time to pay attention. Oh well, you can run, but you can't hide. Believe me when I tell you that. It's up to you. Stand by.
Hitler took the guns. Stalin took the guns. Mao took the guns. Fidel Castro took the guns. Hugo Chavez took the guns. 1776 will commence again if you try to take our firearms. The Republic will rise again when you attempt to take our guns. I have sworn upon the honor of God, eternal hostility against every form of tyranny over the mind of man.
When the world decides to change, you know. Coffins in Georgia. What's coming in the United States? And that's the Americans. The new face of war. Drones. Armed airplanes called drones. You're not going to have much time to react when things begin. Only you can stop it. Stand up and see it. The New World Order is desperate, and they will start soon. All the bullets have been brought up. Nothing to defend yourselves with, Americans. Chaos has already began in the big cities and the streets. New World Order typed. Could it be that we will let it happen? Does it have to be?
We don't need no thought control.
The final stage in a careful plan that has been unfolding for decades through both Republican and Democrat administrations. Government plans to suspend the Constitution and effect martial law have been taking place behind the scenes under continuity of government contingencies, first exposed in the mid-1980s and raised by Congressman Jack Brooks during the Iran-Contra hearings.
Colonel North, in your work at the NSC, were you not assigned at one time to work on plans for the continuity of government in the event of a major disaster? Mr. Chairman,
I believe the question touches upon a highly sensitive and classified area, so may I request that you not touch upon that, sir.
I was particularly concerned, Mr. Chairman, because I read in Miami papers and several others that there had been a plan developed by that same agency, a contingency plan in the event of emergency that would suspend the American Constitution. And I was deeply concerned about it. I'm wondering if that was the area in which he had worked.
That's right.
CIA's secret war on terror begins with the horrific events of September 11.
Perceived as threats to the United States.
Martial law. Coffins in Georgia. The future for the United States. The American people are the enemy to these people.
How do you think MI6 that Ian Fleming wrote about, he worked for him, he was an OSS, where the robber barons are going to release a bioweapon to kill everybody? He wrote Moonraker in the 50s. That's the plan. Oblivion is the plan. Zardoz is the plan. It's the only plan. And you better pray to God they don't get this through. Because if Cobra, the snake, the devil, the Black Pyramid gets control, it's all over for you.
All of us.
So that's why it doesn't matter if they kill me. It doesn't matter, because my family has no future if we don't beat them.
None of us.
Sure, what? I'm going to live another 5, 10 years, play ball with this, maybe 20? Play ball, think I'm part of the elite, live in some high-rise all guarded when the bioweapon gets released? We'll all be dying up in that high-rise.
Right.
I'll be on the phone going, I thought I was part of the team. These idiot operatives trying to discredit us online go, Alex Jones admits he's had family in the government. The proof, it's secret. I'm the one saying it on air. I'm the one telling you, idiots.
You got it.
Waging war on corruption.
All right, you want to go?
It's
Israel has taken control of the United States control mechanisms. That is the fact. The American dream floating away, fading away. And someday, if nothing changes soon, there will be no more America. Stand by.
waging war on corruption.